Hello everybody, I'll share today Shopify dropshipping expert Winnie Strong, who will create one product Shopify dropshipping store for your dropshipping business. He is a professional Shopify dropshipping expert. I will show you his service page. So you can see he title, I will create one product Shopify dropshipping website or a store. He have 4.9 rating and he have reviews 1195 reviews he have already, and already one order in queue, one order running, and he is top rated freelancer on Fiverr, Winston G. So you can check. You have to need high converting Shopify dropshipping store. You can take Shopify store from his. So I will check his portfolio. This is his portfolio. I will show you. He create organic product website dropshipping store for his client, and this one is fast. And also second one, Oro Kid sustainable baby clothing website. He create Shopify store for his client. You can see how so professional website, professional store for create his client. And also third one, Miracle iPhone case, phone case website for his client, Shopify store for his client. Fourth one, jewelry store for his client he create, and he get 4.9 review he have. So many project he already done. He have reviews, so 4.1195 reviews he have. So this is Winston is very professional seller on Fiverr and top rated seller. He already 1000 plus order completed on Fiverr. So you don't feel hesitate for take your Shopify store development from his. So we'll check his package, service package page. He have three compare package 3 page, basic package, standard package, premium package. Basic package price $1,150, one product store plus one winning product plus logo, premium theme and private agent. He provide one product store and one winning product and also logo plus premium theme and private agent. And number of page he create for 10 page create, and number of product one product, and he revision it 2 times. This is delivery time in 3 days, and you want 2 days under, so he will extra take $50. So $150 for basic price, and a standard price branded dropshipping store he will create, and 2 winning products, also logo and premium tip and private agent, and he take for delivery time 5 days. And if you want under 3 days, within 3 days he will take extra $50. And also premium package, standard package price 190 and premium price 230, branded custom code dropshipping store, 3 winning product, logo plus premium theme and private agent. And revision he will revision 2 times, and within 7 days delivery time. If you want to emergency 4 days extra, he take $50 and $230 he take. This is his package page. So he have so many reviews. You can check 5-star review, 5-star review, 1195 review he have already, 1140 or 5-star review he have. So don't worry for take this service from his. So I will suggest you, he is a very professional. He already completed 1000 plus project. So he's very professional. You can take this service from his. So I will add this page link on my description. You can take this service from his. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will share every time very professional expert for you. So thank you so much.